This rare primate was discovered in 2010 by the scientific world, but the hunters and locals of northern Burma knew about this animal for a long time, even calling it monkey with its face turned up, or inwo according to the dialect of the place where it usually lives. At first sight, it looks like the most beautiful, furry, and charming primate of the Burmese jungle. However, when you get face to face with this monkey, you will run with terror. It has some strange nostrils that make it look like the devil himself. Extremely scary. Besides its ugly nose, it has a pronounced snout, giving it a totally atypical and even alien image.